Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ActiveCampaign account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload or import your subscriber list into ActiveCampaign? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload your subscriber list into ActiveCampaign? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your email list, and with ActiveCampaign, they make it really easy to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ActiveCampaign account, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to import your subscriber list, you're going to click right here on the left, Contacts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts in ActiveCampaign. However, to import a spreadsheet, you're going to click up here on the right, Import. Okay, so with ActiveCampaign, you can go ahead and import from your Calendly, Google Sheets, or Typeform. But if you're like me, you have your contacts in a CSV or a spreadsheet format. So that's what I'm going to do here. So you're just going to click on this blue button, Import from File. Okay, so it processed right away. And just so you know, it has to be a CSV file. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and map it out. So this is my data column in my CSV. So we need to make sure that that matches up over here. So this is the ActiveCampaign field. So this is address. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and then I'll just match it with physical address, which they don't have that field, but we can go ahead and add a new field right here, and we can do a text input, and then we'll just say address. Okay, and save. Okay, and next email, it automatically noted the email. City, looks like they don't really have any physical location areas, so we'll go ahead and leave that blank. Next, we want to go ahead and choose the list. So I only have this master contact list. If you had set up other lists, then you can go ahead and choose which list these contacts should be imported to. Here, you can go ahead and add tags. So if you're some sort of a food blogger, you want to separate your list by tag. So maybe this is a list of people who like Chinese food and restaurants. So that way I know that these people like Chinese food and they're not the group that likes Mexican food. Okay, and down here, you want to go ahead and choose these boxes. So update existing contacts. So if you have other contacts and it notices it's the same contact, it'll just update instead of adding a new contact. Here, if you've already set up your campaigns, you can go ahead and leave those checked so that way they can be dropped into different automations that you've already set up. All right, so once you have all that set up and you're ready to go ahead and import your subscriber list into ActiveCampaign, click on Import down here on the bottom right. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, a quick second later, it says Import Complete. So I have now imported and uploaded my contacts into ActiveCampaign. If you want to see those, just click on Contacts here on the left. All right, a quick second later, you can see all of the contacts. So we imported 3 new contacts into our ActiveCampaign. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your contact list into ActiveCampaign, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.